Elon Musk, the mastermind behind Tesla, SpaceX, and the man redefining the future of technology, has just sent shockwaves through the world of aviation and military power. What has he done now? The SR-72 DARKSTAR, an aircraft once thought to exist only in whispers, is ready for war. The implications, unimaginable. This is more than just an aircraft, it's a game changer that could revolutionize warfare as we know it. Today, we're diving deep into the SR-72 DARKSTAR, uncovering the role Elon Musk played in its creation, and what this hypersonic aircraft means for the future of global warfare. Trust us, you're going to want to watch this. It's official. The SR-72 DARKSTAR has been unveiled, and it's nothing like we've ever seen. Capable of speeds exceeding Mach 6, this hypersonic jet can strike targets anywhere in the world in under an hour. But what truly sets it apart is its ability to evade detection. It's the ultimate stealth weapon. The DARKSTAR is designed to dominate the skies, developed by Lockheed Martin's legendary Skunk Works division and with rumored involvement from Elon Musk and SpaceX. But why does the world need this aircraft now? And what role did Musk play in its development? Elon Musk is no stranger to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From revolutionizing electric cars to pioneering reusable rockets, Musk's influence has been felt across industries. But now, new reports suggest Musk had a secret role in the development of the SR-72. Musk's expertise in rocket propulsion and advanced materials made him a perfect partner for Lockheed Martin in developing the DARKSTAR's hypersonic capabilities. The integration of SpaceX technology into military applications has blurred the line between civilian and defense industries, and the world is taking notice. But what does this mean for the balance of global power? And why has the US military turned to Musk in the race to dominate hypersonic flight? The SR-72 isn't just fast, it's a technological marvel. Designed for both reconnaissance and strike missions, the DARKSTAR can travel at over 600 miles per hour, flying 6 times faster than the speed of sound. Its hypersonic propulsion system, utilizing a combined cycle engine, allows it to switch between turbojet and scramjet modes, making it virtually unstoppable. But that's not all. With its stealth technology, the DARKSTAR is nearly invisible to enemy radar, capable of slipping through even the most advanced defense systems undetected. Powered by advanced AI, the aircraft can make real-time decisions during high-speed missions, ensuring success even in the most hostile environments. This is more than just a fast plane, it's a weapon that changes the rules of war. The deployment of the SR-72 has raised alarms worldwide. With the ability to strike any target within minutes, this aircraft reduces reaction time to near zero. Nations like Russia and China, both working on their own hypersonic programs, now face the prospect of the US pulling ahead in the race for air superiority. One thing is clear, the SR-72 gives the US a strategic advantage that could change the entire balance of power. In modern warfare, speed and stealth are everything, and the DARKSTAR is at the advanced of both. But as impressive as this aircraft is, its introduction into the global theater raises some serious questions. How will other nations respond? And is this the beginning of a new hypersonic arms race? Russia and China have both taken notice. With their own hypersonic projects underway, these nations have been racing to develop aircraft and missiles that can rival the US's newfound advantage. But the SR-72 has thrown a wrench in their plans. Suddenly, the race just got a lot more urgent. Military analysts warn that the SR-72's deployment could trigger a new kind of arms race. One focused not just on hypersonic speed, but on the ability to defend against it. While Russia and China work to close the gap, tensions are likely to rise, with the DARKSTAR serving as the spark that ignites a new era of global competition. But this isn't just about new aircraft, it's about who can build the future faster. The SR-72 is just the beginning. Hypersonic technology is evolving faster than anyone could have predicted, and the DARKSTAR is leading the charge. But what comes next? Experts believe the future of warfare lies in even faster aircraft. combined with AI-driven systems that can adapt in real time, predicting enemy movements before they happen. Imagine a world where wars are fought at lightning speed, with decisions made by machines and aircraft flying at unfathomable velocities. It may sound like science fiction, but with the SR-72 DARKSTAR, that future is closer than you think. As technology evolves, so too does the nature of conflict. And with hypersonic speed comes the potential for conflicts that are over before they even begin. Elon Musk has always been a visionary one who sees the future before it happens. Whether it's sending humans to Mars or creating reusable rockets, Musk's ideas have consistently reshaped entire industries. Now, with the SR-72 DARKSTAR, his influence has extended into the world of defense. By integrating advanced technology from SpaceX and Tesla into military applications, Musk is helping to build a future where hypersonic aircraft and AI-powered systems are the norm. But with this new power comes new risks and challenges. As hypersonic aircraft and AI-powered systems become the norm, the nature of warfare will change in ways we can't fully predict. Autonomous decision-making, high-speed precision strikes, and the ability to hit targets anywhere in the world within minutes are just the beginning. This raises ethical questions about the role of AI in combat, the potential for errors in autonomous systems, and the risk of escalating conflicts without human intervention. As we hand over more control to machines, the stakes become higher. Could AI-driven aircraft like the SR-70 to make decisions that humans can't override? And what happens when these systems fall into the wrong hands? The speed and efficiency of hypersonic technology could lead to faster conflicts where entire battles are won or lost before human leaders even have a chance to respond. Even Elon Musk himself has warned about the dangers of AI, famously calling it one of the biggest existential threats to humanity. So, why is he involved in the development of hypersonic, AI-controlled war machines? The answer lies in his philosophy that humanity must stay ahead of the curve, especially when the technology at play could be used by adversaries. The introduction of the SR-72 DARKSTAR has major implications for global security. As hypersonic technology becomes central to military strategy, nations must adapt. The question now is how global powers like Russia and China will respond. With both countries racing to develop their hypersonic aircraft, the world is entering a new arms race, one where speed, stealth, and AI dominance are the deciding factors. While the US may have the lead with the SR-72, the race is far from over. Russia has been working on the avant-garde hypersonic glide vehicle, while China's DFZF program is also making strides. The competition between these superpowers will define the next phase of military strategy, with hypersonic weapons potentially replacing traditional nuclear deterrence. However, this shift comes with its dangers. With hypersonic missiles and aircraft able to bypass existing defense systems, the risk of miscalculation or accidental escalation increases dramatically. In a world where hypersonic strikes can happen in mere minutes, leaders may feel pressured to act faster, raising the chances of preemptive strikes and unintended conflicts. So, what does the future hold? As hypersonic technology continues to advance, we're likely to see even more revolutionary changes in how wars are fought. Elon Musk's vision for the future of warfare may not stop with the SR-72 DARKSTAR. With SpaceX's innovations in space travel, there's potential for space-based military assets to become a key factor in future conflicts. Imagine a world where conflicts aren't just fought in the skies but in space, with hypersonic aircraft coordinating with orbital defense platforms to control the battlefield. Musk's ambitions to colonize Mars may seem disconnected from the military world, but the technology developed through SpaceX could lead to space-based warfare becoming a reality. And with AI leading the charge, battles could be waged with near-perfect precision. While these concepts may seem far off, the SR-72 DARKSTAR is a clear indicator that the future of warfare is rapidly approaching. With Elon Musk pushing the boundaries of what's possible, the world may soon face a reality where hypersonic jets and AI-driven systems redefine global power structures. Elon Musk's involvement in the SR-72 DARKSTAR isn't just about military power. It's part of his larger vision to ensure that humanity thrives in a rapidly changing world. From clean energy to space colonization, Musk's projects all tie into a singular goal: securing the future of our species. But the SR-72 is perhaps the most controversial of his ventures, as it directly touches on the balance between technological progress and ethical responsibility. While Musk has warned of the dangers of AI, he also understands that the world's leading nations will continue developing these technologies whether we like it or not. By playing a role in shaping military advancements like the SR-72, Musk is ensuring that the U.S. remains at the forefront, giving democratic nations the edge in a world where authoritarian regimes are rapidly developing their own AI and hypersonic weapons. At the end of the day, the question remains, can we control the technology we create, or will it control us? The SR-72 DARKSTAR represents both the incredible potential and the serious risks of the future Musk envisions,